We are going through exercise 6D, and in this video we'll be answering question 6E, which is telling us that we need to solve each of the following equations for x, and here's what we've been given. For questions like this, as you can see, it's not in your standard cubic equation form, where it's like x cubed, then x squared, then x, then your constant at the end. So when you are in this situation, it's a bit like the Wild West. You're just going to do what you need to do until you kind of make sense out of the question. So let's just get rid of this denominator here by timesing both sides by x cubed. So we're going to times both sides by x cubed, which is going to leave me with 1000 x cubed equals 1. Now, once we're here, again, there's a few things we could do here, but what I would want to do is kind of rewrite this in a certain way. So I know this could be rewritten as 10x, and that is being cubed, equals 1. Then let's scroll down. We could then cube root both sides. We could cube root both sides. So that means what we're going to do is we're going to do, let me do this in red. You know what we're going to do? We're going to cut this, because I want this to make sense for people who don't watch the video, but are just looking at the working out. We're going to cube root both sides. Cube root both sides. Let's just move this out a bit. Look at this. Don't you love working on the computer? I reckon everyone should work on the computer. Whoops, it's the superior way to work. This is going to be 3 there. Okay, the cube root of this, well, my cubes are just going to go away and I'm going to be left with 10x. The cube root of 1 is 1. Now, I don't have to worry about plus or minus. I only have to worry about plus or minuses when I'm got an even number here, because obviously the cube root of 1 is 1. The cube root of -1 is -1. I don't have to worry about that plus or minus. Then once I'm here, I just simply need to go x is equal to 1 on 10. Look at that. Not that hard at all. So that is your answer. X is equal to 1 on 10. Hopefully you understood the steps that we took to get here, and that this video was helpful to you in answering question 6E of exercise 6D.